Good morning, viewers. It's a hot sunny morning here in Bacolod City, and I'm heading into the city this afternoon. We're back down to GCQ, which is General Community Quarantine. I'm not exactly sure what the difference is, but I know it's a bit quieter. So I'm heading into the city to see what's going on. It's Sunday morning, so there should be a few people around, I should expect. It's a very good weather this morning. It's been quite rainy this week. I'm going to head down to Central Market today. I'm going to head around the Plaza. I'm also going to head up to Rizal Park, which is the new under renovation park in the city. That's just a couple of blocks south of the main plaza. They've had quite a big budget to renovate that. So let's see what's been going on there too. It's Rizal Park. And as you can see, the roads are very, very quiet. Coming into the city centre now. Turn right to the public plaza. Here's Bacolod Public Plaza, straight ahead. And it's very quiet today. And the market's gone. There was a market here last week. It has been for the last few weeks. It seems to have gone. It's very quiet at the moment. The market area has turned into a car park area, so I presume everybody's in the church. Very quiet plaza, not much traffic at all. And all the bibinka sellers are out. 5 pesos a bibinka. And now I'm going to buy some sunglasses. I left my sunglasses at home this morning, so I'm going to stop here, my regular place, and get some new ones.
Not strong.
Hello, are you the vlogger? Asia at night?
Yeah. How do you know?
I saw your action cam, so I suppose you are.
Good guess. Same. 100?
No.
Yes, okay. My glasses, nalipat sa balay.
Lipatan. Salamat.
Thank you.
That's my glasses sorted. I need them actually today, it's very bright. So let's go and have a look around the city, see what it's looking like. Is it busy? No idea. Doesn't look like it to me. There's a crazy guy walking in the street. And just around the corner here, there'll be a bunch of guys sat in the street, all playing with their cocks. No joke. Here they are, all on the left. All these guys are with their fighting cocks. Why? What did you think I meant? back in the plaza, in the main plaza that is. This is where everybody is. Church is now out. See, the streets are empty when the church is full. And when the church empties, this is where everybody is. And next stop, Rizal Park. Rizal Park is only a couple of blocks south of the main plaza. And it's been allocated quite a big budget for a renovation. So I've no idea if they've started or not, but let's go and have a look. Here it is on the right hand side. Well, it's all boarded up, so I guess something's about to start. We'll have to have a look, won't we? All this on the right is Rizal Park. There it is. This is the plan for the renovation. So I guess it should look quite nice when it's done, whatever they're going to do with it. There's the budget, more than 9 million. So plenty of money to work with that. Not much going on at the moment. Just looks like they're preparing. And in the middle there, that's a big statue of Rizal, Jose Rizal. I think they're going to start with this path at the front by the looks of it. I guess they're going to dig most of it up and repave it. Right, back into the city again now. Still very quiet coming here down Araneta Street. Just a few jeepneys here and there, that's about it. And next stop, Central Market. I'm going to take a look right round the whole of the outside of Central Market. So let's go. And just opposite Scarborough Seafoods, right next to the new Ayala Capitol Mall, is the old Pala Pala. This is the new food terminal. This was actually the old fish market, the original Pala Pala. I used to come here years ago. There wasn't much there at the time, but look at it now. They've got like stalls for fish inside there. Not sure if it's open or not. It's not far from open if it's not. Right opposite Ayala Capitol Mall here. And from here, I'm going to head off back up Lacson Street. It's a quiet day, so let's see what's going on Lacson Street. Good time to make a video, no traffic. Here's Rib Shack. It's a new building there next to Shakey's. Not sure what it's going to be. Here, Mayfair Plaza. Okay guys, thanks for watching. That was a sunny Sunday morning in Bacolod City. I'll be posting more videos very soon, so don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you all very soon.